Hey guys, I'm MageDok. In this video, I have an unboxing and hands-on look of another portable monitor. This time around, this is the MageDok 15.6 inches 4K portable monitor. Now, keep in mind, this is being sold on Amazon, but it's under EleDuino. MageDok is building this monitor, but EleDuino is actually the seller on Amazon. So that's why I'm gonna leave a link in my description. And when you see the brand of the monitor, is actually gonna be EleDuino. Other than that, months ago I did a review of a huge 17-inch monitor from MageDok. That one monitor was a 2K screen, like you see in this on the video. There's a huge difference between these two monitors and size, of course, but this one is actually 4K. So this is the unboxing, but keep in mind, like I said, this is going to be EleDuino. So when you get this from the mail, who knows, maybe the packaging is also going to be different. Now, just like the 17-inch monitor that I didn't like that the cover attached to the monitor via 3M sticker, this one also does the same thing, like you see on the video. I don't know, I just don't like the fact that the cover actually attaches and sticks to the back of the monitor, because if you want to take it out, the monitor is going to have that sticky stuff on the back of the monitor, depending how long you've been having the sticker there. And of course, the case, most likely you're going to ruin it because you're unsticking it from the back of the monitor. So that's something that I don't like. Of course, it has two speakers here in the back. They actually sound pretty good, like you're going to see here on the video. Here on the side, I like the fact that on the cover, you see the buttons layout right there. You got the power button, which is here. You got the menu button, which is here. You got the up and the down button, which of course is for volume. Here in the back, if you want to use the monitor with a Visa mount, you can also do that. Like see there, it has the mounts right there in the back. But right now, of course, you're going to have to decide if you want to do that before you actually stick the case to it. But yes, it has Visa mount in the back, and it's, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 75 by 75. Now, in the inside of the package, you're going to have a lot of cables available. You're going to have a USB-C cable to USB-C. I put it here in these blue wraps that actually come with the monitor as well. It's cool because you can actually save your cables like that. And of course, you got a USB-C cable to USB-C cable, which I have it here all tangled up. Great. USB-C cable to USB-A cable. This right here, right there. You have a USB-C to USB-C. There you go. You have an HDMI, normal HDMI to mini HDMI. That's the ports on the monitor. And you have this power adapter, which is USB-C, and this right here, I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is like an 18 watts or something like that. There you go. Yeah, 18 watts, like you see there. And of course, you're going to use this to actually power the monitor. These are the inputs right here. You got USB-C, USB-C, and HDMI mini. The USB-C, this one right here is actually for the power. This one is actually for video. This actually is for power and video. And this, of course, is the mini HDMI, which you're going to use it to connect your consoles right here. And of course, you got the buttons over here. But other than that, you don't have anything else whatsoever. And the monitor, like you're going to see right here, is also a little bit glossy as well. But like I said, it's actually 15.6 inches, 3840 by 2160 IPS. Also compatible with HDR as well. And like you see here on the video, I did connect it to my computer, and the touchscreen actually works flawlessly. And it also recognizes when you're actually receiving a 4K signal to the monitor, like you see here, 3840 by 2160. Pretty damn cool. And also, of course, I did connect it to the PlayStation 4 Pro, and like you see here on the video, it also recognized, the PlayStation 4 Pro also recognized that it was connected to a monitor that is compatible with, you know, the 2160 resolution, which is awesome. That's great that is compatible, and it actually recognizes, and it also supports HDR on the PlayStation 4 as well. But one thing that you have to keep in mind, that contrary to the other monitors that I did videos before, a lot of those monitors, you could power the monitor using the PlayStation USB port. The problem with this monitor is that since it's 4K, apparently it requires a lot of power or juice to actually power the screen. And if you do try to power the screen with the USB cable, like you see here on the video, the monitor actually turns off and on constantly when you're playing video games, like you see right there playing Sekiro. And it was a pain in the ass because I couldn't realize what the hell was going on with the monitor. But then I had to dig a little bit deeper, and I just realized that you have to use the power adapter. You have to use the power adapter when you're connecting the monitor to any other device but a computer. When I was using it with the laptop, I was only using one cable because the USB-C port on the laptop actually delivers enough power to deliver the video and power through one cable. So I didn't have problems whatsoever when I hook it up to my computer. But of course, with the PlayStation 4 and most likely with every current console, you're going to have to use the power brick that comes with the monitor to deliver the power to the screen, and then it will actually work flawlessly. And like you see on the video, it works excellent when you're playing video games with it. It looks really damn good. I also connected to the Nintendo Switch, and sadly, I don't know why, but sadly, the Nintendo Switch actually couldn't connect to the monitor using just one cable, which is weird because with the other MageDok monitor that I did before, I could connect the Nintendo Switch to the monitor without using a dock. And with almost every portable monitor that you've seen on my videos, I've been able to connect my Nintendo Switch to the monitor using just one cable. But when you do try that on this monitor, you're gonna get this message that you see here on the screen saying that you actually need more power, or you need to connect the console to the dock. So, you know, like you normally would when you're playing in TV mode. I was a little bit disappointed that I couldn't play with my Nintendo Switch like that, but like you see here on the video, I did play video games from the Nintendo Switch on the monitor using the dock, and of course it just works flawlessly. The Nintendo Switch can only deliver no more than 1080p when it's docked, so of course the monitor is gonna play those games perfectly good. If you're looking for a portable monitor that actually has 4K and touchscreen, this monitor actually works pretty damn good. There's no problems with that, with the way it functions. But honestly, I would have really loved for me to power the screen with just the PlayStation 4. That would have been great. And also being able to connect the Nintendo Switch to the monitor with just one cable, that would have been also great. But, you know, keep in mind, this is a 4K screen, and it does require at least 18 watts of power to actually power the screen. So that's going to be some negative for some people because, you know, for me, it ruins the fact that it's a portable monitor. Less cables that you wouldn't use, the better for me, in my opinion. But that's the way this monitor works. Of course, it goes for around $429 right now. But like you know, on Amazon, prices changes a lot. So if you wait a while, you might be able to get this for around $350. Who knows? You know how Amazon is with prices. If you have any questions about this monitor, please let me know and I'll try to answer them. I'll leave links in my descriptions as well for this monitor, you know, just in case you want to read a little bit more about it, or you want to pay attention to the monitor just in case it drops in price, because like it is right now, for me it's a little bit expensive, $429. But it's a 4K screen, and for a lot of people that's going to be a huge deal, being able to put a 4K screen inside of a bag and use as a second monitor for the laptop, especially when you're doing productivity. This would be perfect for a person that like that. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching this video. Let me know what you think about this monitor 4K touchscreen from MageDok, which is actually being sold by EleDuino. Thanks for watching this video. Till next time, guys. Bye bye.